If you can imagine it, IoT can help achieve it. Take the world of extended reality, or XR for example. XR is revolutionizing what's possible across verticals, across large enterprises and SMBs, and across physical and digital worlds. From healthcare clinics using 3D anatomical visualizations to improve surgical prep, to manufacturing plants using self-guided digital instructions to accelerate new employee onboarding, to educators bringing lesson plans to life for better experiential learning in and out of the classroom. XR is unleashing more agile, productive, and efficient business outcomes. Given its wide-reaching impact, it's no wonder the global XR market size is exploding, topping $31 billion in 2021 and expected to jump to nearly $300 billion by 2024, a tenfold increase in just 3 years. Are you ready to make the most of it? Ingram Micro IoT has developed scalable, turnkey solutions, along with training and workshops to educate you on XR's vast potential and how to successfully bring it to market. We connect all things, including you.